Hello everyone. So in today's video, I want to show you how we can create events for any meetings. It could be the meetings you want or for your boss or anyone. So the most important thing is what you need to do is you can determine to put your calendar in day or week. But I love week. All right. So the first thing you need to do, you can either come here to create your event directly. When you tap on this, you can see it is open. However, it can also come to any of these places to tap on that and you're good to go as well. So, but there's something I really want you to know, and that is when you're working with time zone. When you're working with time zone, maybe you're working with Nigeria and New York, and you really want to see what time it is in their own end so that you book you schedule the meeting according to the agreement that you have with them. Maybe they are ready maybe 10 a.m. their own time, and your own time is could be 2 p.m. So you need to align with what they actually want. So let me show you how I added this New York here. So the first thing you need to do is to come to settings and come to time zone. Normally this will not be here, but I added it. So all right, so this is how it was before I added the New York time zone. All right, so let me add the second time zone, the secondary time zone. Now what you need to do is tick this box. When you tick the box, then the option will be available. Then come to this toggle down button and choose any time zone that you're working with. For me, I'm choosing New York City. All right, so let's go back, and here we have it. Then there's something I also wanted to tell you, which is renaming it. So you can see I labeled it Nigeria and New York. So let me show you the effect here. So that is why we have it here. You can see the title here, New York and Nigeria. So that's because I labeled it. All right, so now let's create our meeting. So our client says is ready 10 a.m. New York time, and that falls 3 p.m. Nigerian time. All right, so let me title it business proposal. Let me just say the business proposal. Okay. So business proposal, and the time is 3 p.m. That's our time. So when you add the guest, you need the email of the person you want to add. So let me just use Omojuke as the person I want to add. So if you have any other person that you need to be added, I need to attend this meeting, you add it and you're good to go. Then this is the meeting link here. If you're not using Google Meet link, you can just cancel this and nothing will be shown here. So since it's an online meeting, it's not really necessary for you to add location any longer. Then for the add description or Google Drive attachments, that's if you have anything you want to add, maybe like your agenda, just tap on that, add the agenda and everything that is expected of the person to bring to the meeting. Okay, so just do that, and that's all. Then you hit the save button. So would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? Yes. Hit send. That's way the other person will be notified. All right. Now we can see 3 p.m. our time is 10 a.m. their own time. Then the other thing I would love to share is maybe if you want your clients to add you to their calendar, like so that you're able to manage their calendar, all you need to do, so it's a two-way thing. If you are the boss and maybe you just want to add someone to your calendar so that they'll be able to help you manage your calendar and schedule and do any other thing, you can do this. and same thing applies to anyway. So that's the only way you can have access to this calendar and you'll be able to schedule meeting for them. All right, so you come to settings. Let me come back here again. So this is the three dots I clicked on, depending on the calendar that he wants to give you access to. So let's say this is the one he wants to give you access to. Then settings and sharing. So come here, add people, and send. All right, so what will happen is the other person will need to accept that. So once it is accepted, then the person can actually help you manage the calendar, or you can also help your boss manage the calendar. So it's a two-way thing. If you watching this video is just for you to tell someone to help you manage your calendar, that is the way to give access. And if you're working for someone as a virtual assistant, that's the way you can tell the person to add you up so they can help them manage your calendar. So if the person no longer wants you to manage their calendar, what they need to do is you just cancel this, and that's all. So I hope this video is helpful. So this is your meeting here. And one more thing, if there's, in case you want to edit anything or maybe something come up and you want to make changes to the dates and time, all you need to do is come here. You can see edit events, tap on edit events and make changes to it. Maybe you want to change the time or anything, or the write-up. Once you're done, don't forget to hit the save button and you're good to go. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also share with anyone that will be interested in this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.